The Supreme Court has heard a plea by the Kerala government challenging delays by the governor in granting assent to bills passed by the state legislature. Senior advocate K.K. Venugopal, appearing for Kerala, argued that the issue is already covered by the recent Tamil Nadu governor's judgment, where the top court laid down timelines for governors to act on bills, including a 3-month time limit for referring bills to the president based on a government circular. But the centre has disagreed. Attorney General R. Venkataramani and Solicitor General Tushar Mehta told the bench that Kerala's case involves different facts and is not directly covered by the Tamil Nadu judgment. The Attorney General informed the court that the centre would like to present the factual differences in Kerala's case, which, in their view, set it apart from the Tamil Nadu governor's matter. The bench of Justices P.S. Narasimha and Joy Malya Bagchi said that it will examine if the Tamil Nadu ruling applies to Kerala's situation or if it needs to be heard independently. Venugopal also informed the court that there is another pending writ petition filed by the state of Kerala. This one challenges the president's decision to withhold assent to 4 bills referred by the governor after the 2023 petition was filed. The Chief Justice of India has directed that the second petition be listed on 13th May, and the Kerala Council urged for both petitions be tagged together. The court said that a mention must be made before the CJI for the same. The current petition is now listed for hearing on 6th May. Let me tell you here, the matter goes back to November 2023 when the Supreme Court issued notice in the Kerala governor's case. Soon after, the governor referred several bills to the president. In February last year, the president withheld assent to 4 bills, including multiple amendments to university laws and the Kerala Cooperative Societies Act. 3 other bills were approved. Kerala then moved the Supreme Court again in 2024, challenging both the governor's referral and the president's refusal. This second case is the one coming up on 13th May.